If you're a Missouri Tigers fan, the voice of Mike Kelly needs no introduction.
Cody Schrader gets outside to the 20 to the 25.
Since becoming the voice of the Tigers in 1994, Mike has never missed a football game, a streak of 372 broadcasts. MU Healthcare orthopedic surgeon Dr. Clayton Nulley helped Mike end an even longer streak. 31 years of arthritis pain in his left knee.
Took off one morning going up the hill in our neighborhood and got about a block, and it was done. I went and saw a doctor, found out that it was bone on bone at that point in time.
Mike had 2 surgeries on his left knee in the past. He also changed his exercise routine and avoided further damage to his knee joint. Things changed Labor Day weekend in 2023 when a game of catch in the pool led to a torn meniscus. This injury made matters significantly worse and meant Mike needed a total knee replacement.
I landed on my left foot and felt this unbelievable burning pain in my left knee. Eventually, it became crystal clear that there was no other option.
Mike turned to Dr. Nulley, an orthopedic surgeon at the Missouri Orthopedic Institute, who cares for injured athletes of all kinds, from the Mizzou football team to youth and recreational athletes.
We tried some of the non-surgical management for many, many months, especially when we were in season.
From the moment that I decided to have surgery, Dr. Nulley and his team were so thorough in what my expectations should be.
Using a robot-assisted approach to make a 3D image of Mike's knee joint helped Dr. Nulley ensure the total replacement was as precise and detailed as possible.
Being able to offer this level of care to not only to someone with the stature of Mike, the voice of the Tigers, but also to our athletes and also to every patient that we see and every patient that we take care of is unbelievable. It's one of the reasons that I came to MU Healthcare and the Missouri Orthopedic Institute.
Joint replacements are difficult on the body. Thankfully, Mike had done the pre-surgery exercises he needed to start with rehab and physical therapy as soon as his body was ready.
I mean, from the word go, it was absolutely not only comforting, but 100% professional, and was something that I was very, very pleased with the outcome across the board.
2 receivers split left.
Now that it's football season again, Mike is ready to go wherever the Tigers go on the gridiron and hardwood, keeping his streak alive and pain-free. For University of Missouri Healthcare, I'm Meg Judy.